Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix plan for mobile. First, open the Netflix app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the main account, also called the account owner. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the three dot, then tap on the account. Now look for the membership and billing section. Tap change plan. You will now see all the available Netflix plans such as standard and premium depending on your country. Tap the plan you want to switch to. Netflix will show you the price, video quality, and how many devices can watch at the same time. Once you have chosen your new plan, tap continue or confirm change, and that's it. Your Netflix plan will now be updated. In most cases, the change happens right away, but sometimes it starts on your next billing date. If you sign up for Netflix through a Apple App Store, you cannot change your plan inside Netflix. Instead, go to the setting on your phone, tap on the Apple ID, then tap subscription, select Netflix and change your plan there. Also, the account owner can change the Netflix plan. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.